Hello students, welcome to the video once again. As we have discussed in our previous video, that is consistency of linear equation. Okay, so we will see some examples how to check the consistency of pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, for example, I have given two equations, that is x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, and second equation 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. I have to check the consistency whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or not. For that, I have to check the ratios of a1 and a2, b1 and b2, and c1 and c2. So first of all, let me write what is the value of a1. a1 is 1. Okay? From here we can say a1 is 1. Okay? We know that a1 is nothing but the coefficient of x, a2 is the coefficient of x, but from the second equation, so a2 will be equal to 2. From here b1 will be equal to 2 and b2 will be equal to 3. b1 and b2 are the coefficients of y, and c1 is equal to 4, c2 is equal to 7. Now let us check the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2, and c1 by c2. So if I take the ratios of a1 by a2, that will be 1 by 2. b1 by b2 will be equal to 2 by 3. Fine. And c1 by c2 will be equal to 4 by 7, जिसकी अभी कोई खास ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट लेट मी राइट. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे देखो कि 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 or not. So we can say obviously not, 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 3. So first condition satisfies that the pair of linear equation has unique solution, or we can say the graph of the pair of linear equations will be intersecting lines. ठीक है. सो लाइक दिस हमें सिंपल ये करना है कि a1 और a2 की वैल्यू निकालो, b1 और b2 की वैल्यू निकालो, find the ratios of a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. Okay, if they are not equal, then we can say it has a unique solution and their graphs are intersecting at a single point. Done. Okay, now let me take another example. X plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0, and 2x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. Same procedure. Let me write a1 b1. So sorry, not a1 b1, a1 a2. ठीक है. a1 will be equal to 1, a2 will be equal to 2. b1 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 4. a1 and a2 are the coefficients of x. Again and again I am repeating, a1 and a2 are the coefficients of x, b1 and b2 are the coefficients of y. c1 is equal to 3 and c2 is equal to 6. Now let us find the ratios of a1 and a2. a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2. From this we can write 1 by 2. Now b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 4, and 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Clear? And c1 by c2 is equal to 3 by 6. Again 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. So अब तीनों की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है? अल्टीमेटली 1 by 2. We can say a1 by a2, that is 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. Okay. सो यहाँ पे ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई कर रही है कि a1 बाई a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 बाई b2 इज इक्वल टू c1 बाई c2. तो ये कंडीशन जब हमने देखा था इन प्रीवियस वीडियो, इफ़ यू हैव सीन, ये कंडीशन जब हमने देखी थी कि अगर a1 बाई a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 बाई b2, और वी कैन से ऑल द थ्री रेशियोज आर सेम. फाइन. सो इन दिस केस द ग्राफ ऑफ द पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन विल बी अ सिंगल लाइन, और वी कैन से द ग्राफ ऑफ द equations will coincide. And if the graph of the equations will coincide, then they will have infinitely many solutions. Case number 2. I hope you understand. Now see case number 3. Let me take another two equations, x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. सेम प्रोसीजर फॉलो करेंगे. राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ a1 a2 b1 b2 एंड c1 c2. सो इफ आई राइट a1 इज इक्वल टू 1, a2 इज इक्वल टू 2. यहाँ से हम देखेंगे कि b1 इज इक्वल टू क्या मिला 2, b2 इज इक्वल टू क्या मिला 4. अगेन c1 इज इक्वल टू क्या है 4 एंड c2 इज इक्वल टू क्या है 6. नाउ फाइंड द रेशियो a1 बाई a2 क्या है 1 बाई 2, b1 बाई b2 2 बाई 4, c1 बाई c2 4 बाई 6. तब यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो 1 बाई 2 एंड 2 बाई 4 आर इक्वल, क्योंकि 2 बाई 4 का मतलब क्या होता है 1 बाई 2. बट 4 बाई 6 इज इक्वल टू 2 बाई 3. इट मीन्स 1 बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई 2 बट नॉट इक्वल टू 2 बाई 3. तो ये कंडीशन हमारे कुछ ऐसी बन रही है कि a1 बाई a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 बाई b2 बट इज नॉट इक्वल टू c1 बाई c2. ठीक है, ये कंडीशन बन रही है यहाँ पे. सो इन दिस केस हम ये बोलेंगे कि द ग्राफ ऑफ द लीनियर इक्वेशंस विल बी पैरेलल एंड हेंस दे विल नॉट हैव एनी सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, द ग्राफ और वी कैन सी द पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन हैव नो सॉल्यूशंस. ओके, एंड द इक्वेशंस आर इनकंसिस्टेंट. जो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड केस था, इन दैट केस वी कैन से the equations are consistent because we can find the solutions whether unique or infinite. Okay, but if we cannot find the solutions in this case, in case of parallel lines we will say that the pair of linear equations are inconsistent. Clear? So it was all about the examples of the examples how to check the consistency. All the three cases we have covered in this examples. First case, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, intersecting line, unique solution. Second case, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, coincident line, infinitely many solutions. Third one, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, parallel lines, no solution.